Hello from LegalShield. We're proud to offer an identity theft monitoring and restoration service through our top-of-the-line LegalShield Identity Theft Plan. Identity theft affects millions of Americans each year, but our plan provides you with secure web access to an up-to-date credit report, detailed analysis of your personal credit score, and email alerts regarding any activity under your name. And the plan includes Safeguard for Minors to protect the identity of dependents under the age of 18, with valuable information on credit education for minors, advice on the best uses of a child's social security number, and more. We've even partnered with Kroll Advisory Solutions, the industry leader in helping clients mitigate and respond to risk. So in the unfortunate event something does happen to your identity, you'll have professional help in getting your identity restored. And when you provide Kroll a limited power of attorney, a dedicated licensed investigator will do restoration on your behalf for as long as it takes until all resolvable issues have been addressed. This includes comprehensive restoration services such as sending fraud alerts to all 3 national credit repositories and correcting identity theft issues with affected banks, credit card companies, law enforcement agencies, and other institutions. LegalShield Identity Theft Plan covers you, your spouse, and with Safeguard for Minors, up to 8 dependents under the age of 18. Arm yourself and your family with LegalShield Identity Theft today. LegalShield. Worry less, live more.